It's a beautiful morning.
Definitely it's a beautiful morning, the 5th day of May 2022, right here. My name is Omahini Onibachi, your man in the morning from now till 9:30. Stay with us, me and my crew, and we'll bring you nothing but the best. We entertain, we inform, and we educate.
Jesus.
And as I say, Honorable Maxwell for Subachi, the MC for Swami Municipal will be joining us. Honorable Hussein Donko, former DC Afram Place, and Dr. Smart Sapon, a senior lecturer, researcher, KSTU. Supreme Court dismisses minority MP's injunction and application against e-levy implementation, and they say Ghanaians will suffer intense hardship without e-levy. But Edugy was also contending that say almost there will be an irreparable damage that will be caused Ghanaians. But Supreme Court said Ghanaians will suffer intense hardship if e-levy is overturned. Nemom court ne ka say GRA for say omonfa e-levy sika no enkobo sika bi omagije mu no omonfa nguo. Esan said a substantive case say a quite of fast so pass you know, Nipa 136 no, or man to many quorum no, court no any, and to court no so mudis assembly way. Nase, a cobase, it was passed unconstitutionally, dear. Now says Sika, one more titi, and almost had the Ghana for the Maomo, Okuja Tabla say he's taking solace in what the Supreme Court is saying. Said the Bayer, at least Anya Crano, or Marco Diasemno, no Mudivi or Mon baby on the Bejra. GPR 2 say, woman so eba to boom. Because Nanado Akatra almost said, a bind 20 petrol subio. Any petroleum products, NT GPR 2 say, Yamo Ghana phone, Kayan free sompa. TV ni radio Sunil Sumpa 93.1 Facebook say one more to petrol
Today it's a beautiful
happy before now nam boabia samwa so ka kire Ghana fo nyina say be Ghana fo so man penida da John Dramani Mahama be ka kire mo say obetwa e-levy mu a monsini hu na mon ka kire say papa ye we ehu ontumi ntwa mu da ensem bebre no akeka ya wanye. Hey, yadia embrace ho bakra so nyame ma ne kwampo no ba en no obedi di hu de aboga na bra wontumi nye ensema o mo ka kire ni nyina no tintontan Reku Brobe Tarzan was say Ghana poor record in press freedom no yemfa so bo no mo nanado me emfa mbo bia na much refo no mo say last year nipa makomako aduonu ne wuye. It's almost a hashtag about fix the sick mortuaries. It's also almost a conditions of service. And then the condition of Omwakra etwode ye adwuma yare nkwa. Yade nkwa. If amui akoto na pro. Na omode omonsa kekeka. I said last year nipa duonu mochireme ne wuye. Aban no e dey emfi wo mo. Na enenso so Buffer Stock Company non-payment of arrears and no mobile kaya who some sorry and I don't pay your bubble raho. You catch them say Kawasama ye nyan sakwa your koya nim said your bear will give you results. Atatua what about Papa B? Now what to say? Today looks like some designer outfits be with your beret. Yes, my baby. I know what it is, baby. Come round and put to say. Sabe no kasei abono sia enti no mo de kase no eba. Bonka janso mayenkwai.
Ye peja basa kronkran no pede kire wo so aboboa no kantanchi bomo asidan ko a ene ye de ma obrimponsu a watsagu ye so ano pay ya sorry ebra so sensem dodo a yaboa no se sompa anopa no si abremu kase bo ade hye ye de ba be so mo no kase bo no de edintinti me bi ni say na na dodan ko akufo ado yabona ba so e wona kan su papa Wada ne di no ho.
Communication Director Edema NPP Amanyokun lawyer Boaben Asamoah ne nsɛmtwerɛfo akyasɛm bi anɔpa yi yɛde brɛ
Lawyer Stephen Nsiapoku akasa de afa Supreme Court asetena wo codify 11 no ho.
Nsɛmtwerɛfo da ya wo yisi hɔ no wɔka yɛ adwuma na afɛ so yɛ bɔbrɛ ɛwɔ man mu nyinaa no anɔpa yi emu nsɛm ɛba.
Evutu akɔde ama mabunu ya wɔgye ntete ka UST sɛ sabre no a wɔn manya kwanya no wɔn keka wɔn mo pa na wɔnyi sika mfentua school fees.
Yɛbɛkɔ nkɔɔfa ma so yɛ gyerem ɛwɔ Somalia manum nsɛm wɔ efiri hɔ ba nɔpa yi abusua emu nyɛ dɛ.
Wei ni afoforo bi ka ho edi kadi tie na nɔpa yi agyebrɛ ɛde abɛsom wɔn apɛsema kafo no yɛ me ɔhini ni amakranche sofoma mi premier ni mene
Nana
Ekuobi from Young Democratic Union of Africa. Womu chirem se na nado danko akufado sebi eku na nanom ye sebe queen di fatano a fatana kunu o nya kwankwa ni ase de onum to ne digina chire no ano ye hwe ni su ne ban a woda na die se empuntuo afei asumdwe beba ye bedi mra so no a wasaba so body e wabodwa trada abankasiem Jubilee House ya wachira nyinsem de agu nkrata so de ama no se ye bo na baso aka ne Canada mansoafo eye ye papa onimonyamfo hyper ena wogina mu a wode ema no ma ye maame loser attachment ono so ye president di maku no wom de ma no na mampani ni fienti na bede eche Dr. Alhaji Mamadou Bawumia ena wogina mu a wogeye na nwensem a no wachire de agu nkrata so no ne fa bi a ye kenkan no ena wo se ure mfie kakra besen kɔ no ana na de danko akufuado ye ba ne se akanisu a wada ne di kabima menka bi be ye adwuma afe ye mra so die eyade a wo bɔ ne homoden nti no wo se fata se ye de ema no na no ena papa Bawumia ejina mu a wo bɔ okuo no abaso sade a waye ya de papa ebeboa pa sanse wo bie kwan ama mabu na wo pese wo sua amanyo ani se de yebu man no won matumi aka won mo hye na watu anamo ebeboa ebra ye koye nim no.
It is more refreshing to note that the maiden edition will have the Venerable Right Honorable Stephen Harper, whose work in promoting democracy, good governance, and the values of center-right, both during his time as Prime Minister of Canada and as Chairman of the International Democrat Union, as the keynote speaker. I am of the conviction that this is not only a suitable choice, but very ideal to ensure that the project starts off on a good footing. Prime Minister Harper has his reputation preceding him in the promotion of democracy and center-right ideals all over the world. On behalf of the President and the people of Ghana, we are grateful for the recognition. You have the assurances of the President to continue to pursue programs and policies which consolidate our gains in our democratic credentials and work towards a peaceful and sustainable Africa. The quest for peace and stability on the continent cannot be toned down. It is an essential bedrock in realizing resilient and sustainable societies.
Mampani abedi eche yewura Dr. Alhaji Mamadou Bawumia.
Enra nsɛmtwerɛfo nhyiamudie bi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ nkrampɔmpɔne mantam ɛka ho bi mapani kwankyerɛfo ne amansa di nkitaho de ma NPP Amanyɔkun lawyer Boaben Asamoah wɔde nsɛm bebree ato dwa ama wakyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ nokora nyame anim nie NDC Amanyɔkun no ɛto nnwom bi a Ghanafoɔ sɛ yɛyi asom na yɛtie nsɛm bi a ɔmo ka paa na asɛm no wotie a ɛsere papapapapapa ɔmo de adan a ai na 11 yɛ ba yɛbɛtwa na ɔse twia kai ɛma so ne ma so kyerɛ
Talk tax, communication service tax, on tax on weekend, on my own weekend, on to Omka se buda fun la tombe santi omugwa omanye. Enti yo mama oka se mo. Oka se extra also okay. So ka se form one review na we ka want so. So ni be on be fine. Did you clearly so with me and Yamana was okay. Here no crack. Then you didn't say that you 3.5. Say,
na wowie kura no ana wɔkyerɛ sɛ 2024 eni akyiri kura Ghana for sɛ yɛpɛsɛ yɛkɔ yɛnimu a yɛmia NPP na mmom sɛ pɛsɛ bia yɛkɔ yɛkyidi a yɛmia NDC
ɛndafoɔ amanyo sɛm a ɛdwene nipa abadaye alamu a ɛbɛtumi Ghana tu bɔn yɛsɛ ɛdwuma no a mampani na nado ayɛ afaso Ghana a ɔmo to afoɔ deɛ so NPP a ɔba sɛ ɔyɛ ɔba sɛ ɔyɛ bɛma ɔno nso ɔno nyɛ nsa bɛba bɛtoa deɛ yɛayɛ na yɛako akɔ yɛ na deɛ yɛsiesie aboa Ghana nyinaa anaasɛ bɛsa kɔto aba ama owura no ho ama a ɔno ankasa watwerɛ ne ho nwoma na bere a wɔhu nwoma ɔka kyerɛ ɔtoɔ no deɛ yɛ a na ɔso daeɛ a asɛ deɛ ɔte baspɛn so a wɔnkɔ bepɔ so a ɔnni adure ɔnni hwee yɛfɛ asɛ to bɛbu a wɔnni mo asɛm ɔno a watumi ahwɛ ma yɛ de maa no wɔsan kɔto aba na yɛakɔ ɛdwiti a yɛ nyinaa yi no wosɛ ɛne saa na ɔka sɛ yɛamane ma na ɔyɛ wa
yɛwura Boabia Samoa ɛne yɛte ne nkan
Emranim ni ya oye adwuma Kulende at law lawyer Stephen Nsiapoku enra wagye bre ne sompa twetwe nkomo ni nyina ne sɛ atembuafo nso a wɔkɔ asetena na yilevi hu nsɛm a edronkete omra hye beje fie rikoto nanimu sɛ kwan a wɔn fa so paase ye no namra kwan so ti ye montungu no ɔno so gye bre kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ wohwa anamo atembuafo no watuo no a anamo papa ya ebeboa ma obi a animu ada ho na mbom afutu edi amaji yare se ho nkrata asem ne ho enwetabena nyina da omomo aboa no na dabi ye bekwa asemi ne so no yensu abusa ne se basa na se anya yi a isika de be mayen o se mra ne kanko ade a de wo te a me enra me se ne 10 cedis ya 100 cedis no a ya te me 10 no wo me de ma de ebe ma me.
And what it means is that assembly the court because we did but sa order now more pressure aban enja ile bidu and now 20 cents no I don't know court no I decline say omobema it's assembly the court because we did the judgment about whether or not say court and omoya adwen say ampa ile bi action e pass e no the tiamra and say ile bi action e pass e in tiamra because a number of Masabeja for some more parliament no a sa number no na edru anase na ndru eno na court beko akobobo ma ode mo ebeba emrama ho kwan tax a abanje a on pamra kwan so na je oba Ghana ha ye tax e tema dia utia ma na boro so mpa otimi ho kwan say o claim for refund entino emrama ho kwan sa and now say the nature of the act no mezu mu de actor for instance so your transaction na ya tell entino aban records no number be a transaction and when I transaction for bus Supreme Court e kwa section as a panel of case oh e kwa section ko bobo asem no no esusu mu de emra no ntwe yi ma interact and get tua as again say Supreme Court be kwa section aka say oh e kwa section no no e ko bobo mra no hu say emra no eno ano parliament efa kwan papa so na share sa amra no ntino emra no dimu a say court no man injunction say sia na say later on court no finance oh emra no kra emra papa e be den say court bit aban bit ma chase obia a injunction nti one trias atwo no e be den say aban bit ma chase obia one trias atwo na ka say court edikan ama finally o my ruling say etwo no ne kwan so an nti no the osen ka otua a one to injunction nti no bra betua
lawyer Nsiapoku munye bibi fan when me send 102 ede makosu asomua na atimi 10 cedi mi do nyame say na ebe koso dia wallahi talayi hwe
Chairman Edema National Media Commission Yewura Yawo Boadu Ayeboafo wono na woni so mpaka se edi nkomo ana wo kyerɛ sɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ yehu hia pa wo wiase afa na nyina ansa na yɛde nsɛm bi bɛba abɔnten no yɛnto yɛbo ase na yɛnyɛ hwehwɛmu mapa
yo boy
abusia ene no ebofa so kakra sɛ de nsuo yiri no nti yɛbɛkɔ aba yɛba ɛnya ne yi a yɛde bɛma mo
President Oda a Student Representative Council KUST eni enuabema Michael Aboa eno oni sompa twetwe nkomo de afa ye nuanom emebunu be se empim sia wo musuku fees e bi adie bi de atwa man bete e bi de awade ma yanka ye pam wo nyina so mo ade a wo mo tworo no ene wo mo fa nwo ho no mo nya ne foforo no nyame ayadom e ma sa bre de ese kwamu aba beda ho ya wonom entua wo musuku fees ne ntwo so ene bra oni sompa twetwe nkomo no se ye ni je sem papa enti we ya kwanya eso obia efa so na sa student loan no aba no scholarship we ka ho no obia de ne ho gimu wontimi mo wa no ntua na de hia so
Yeah, I mean, I say, many message BFE Student Loan Trust Fund Regional Coordinator, Minia Bismarck, Obojuma Papa Campus. For the past week, more registered students now can we have more kakra at your school fees, no, TFN Komodi kakra. Many more challenges, no, it take your opportunity. At the more bisadia to government and Nima, motion or miles of school fees now can. It's very likely say in face situation students will be cast omunti fees. A banner sana net students no and take opportunity of the intervention by governments no. No minia ejina students na ne inability to take responsibility of the many avenues management provided any government provided. SRC nejumadi ako in the interest of the students no. Mini I share conversations about your boy home modern papa. It is here the ejina students na almost some take opportunity of the many avenues na about more in some. Sinya me know say they are in the process of registering. Make sure say regulation a policy. It gives students no opportunity to mobile register on courses without making payment. The only problem now I want to say so when you are school fees not after registration now and no no ne policy na account so be defer because after registering no when to mean your as and now me no can say in 1 month's opportunity buy no it say students can create bikra and to register 3.1.
Santity so do a make an assembly, the conchefo, omo pencil, na omo jijin, to so do, and omo de aboa and mine. So neno, and it is so do no. In Tria, Okoka, almost say I, and a man my ding, or no so, or ton normal so, ton aboarding, one Tria tax, one yashi, when Minano, and yet a bar no more boy a mind to his own. Yes, I know the boy Eddie to take a man at the sham man so. And to say, Bisa or ho, Nessa, say, oh, their own Triasa, you know, and your bonnet. So, oh, we are Jumana, we have Sicada, so we be ma, Naya de bois. Sent it to so do no. Whatever my or suffer, no, they heard them quarter, and I say, Mubia for. Kuna for nominate their keka na say also wunyi be ma na che say o ye boni eno ne ana bebre sika tim ejati to be ebin musika motion on as anti so do no so no what they ti usika no ho your friend zakat ti usika no ho sika wonim de sika ififiri baabi ba ifiri ha ba we ba enti wo tinti so do no wo sesin usika wanya nyina na wo yi ma na ati usika no enyi bi man tete usika no ho a de be ya se ja to o store mu be eja bibi akromfo abeji usika enum ne de akeka ho wenum nyina ena de sa yo na wenum nyina eba enti ese mutimma mo na muntua sika muntua ese utua to
nyina yede kai dumja adwumakuo no na o my Ghana ye nye ho amfiri mu kopie mu eye Ketia Fire Commander ye papa oda no NDO2 Ebenezer Opoku odi afutuo de akode ama o man se no krani enemna ni bia bai wo mo ne ma o de ye adwuma ni nyina ye dada kuada dwandada we bra we nkanra enye kura wo sere mpanifo so wo nya bibi mfa ho na ye sa no mo ye adwuma no a timamufo no ase yenyi wo no maye
Ghana for bebre na enti yedwuma na yedi no ase because say edwuma bi eye say offer fire service no on fire service no akofre different institution na bebre na nyim say edwuma bi wo okura na eye yedwuma say especially say accident si na so obi came no muntumi nya bof nipa no ba won say public on ba for so aso mu yi no enye wadwuma omo for so mu yi no mu ku nipa no but say wo fire service die abasa har so ebeba ho ne ye na aban amayen equipment ye betumi die betwitwa car ye be yi nipa na abone bia ye den ento no na say obi cargo trick pole so na metal straps obi ne nan akokema wo ya nso ye fire service wo ye dwuma ye baba na ye beyi enti ye dwuma no pa bebre na ka se jato baby o mo fire service wo mo mfa mo fire service wo mo mbaye na o ma che wo bekosin wo beko bisan se wo se one of fire service no we me ma me na fire no me bra ne na fire no hu nyipa potia of fire service because ye no ye dwuma no ye emergency work enti the moment wo be fire service pe within 1 minute say ye dispatch ye tender no and as ye dispatch ye men no mo kosin no nti obia obebi sanse fire service number ben kura na ofre ya onim fire service numbers na biom no so no mefa we entudwa wo hwe fire stations na emuwa wo hwe konfano chi se ya bebia konfano chi wo omukọ fire wo pechi echiro ebua kwa echiro nyina so you can just calculate the distance because ejade entwen se fire for ba na so onyim se fire atoma na sa ye nedwuma akade a ye de ye dwuma no ya wo bi but ebi wo ho ache bebre bi wo edi more than 10 years it was a service no nti so wo hwe fire service ko ya ade wo hwe ye tendency ya de edwuma ya de bisan say fire service number ben ko na ofre ya onim fire service numbers na biom no so no mefa we entudwa wo hwe fire stations na emuwa wo hwe konfano chi say ya bebia konfano chi wo omukọ fire wo pechi echiro ebua kwa echiro nyina so you can just calculate the distance because ejade entwen se fire for ba na so onyim se fire atoma na sa ye
DO2 ya papa wano na Ketia adum jadwuma ko no oda no madwuma ne de doso obi to toilet mu kura mo na mu yi no eno so kama adwuma no hai
abusia ye ko enkofo amaso na ye giram e wo Somalia man mu ensam ya efiri ho ba no pa nyadea ya emu odekura asabafo akeka won ho ama homachi wasanituo e de akogu Somalia man mu atere se asrafo be se aduasa ene wakum wo mo afoforo be se aduonum yenu de amanebo no kire se nyade se otimi hu no mo kura na omo kire se owura bi a ofiri Burundi man mu ya wono wo hwese asumdue mapa betimi adehine e wo Somalia e man na afenso asabafo no ntamu no wono kura de ne nam no atete kura ya mpanifo gu so eba amane e wo Somalia man no emu
Asante Yeboa Benedict onene samufo peni sabre ofia woto ye nkrabo no Kukua Veronica Jandro no gina mu a adwuma nyina no pei abayiwe wa nakora abegina mu aye amayen pesma kafo no ye me ohinini amakwanche sofo mami premier ni minimini abema
nana kwabra kese I like
21st clinic say eba sciatica no mu every usisi mu kono a woto ase ho no ntina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo ho ba bia enye enti 21st clinic wo mu na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mu de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o ya no masa de machine aka ho ya de bibiduro ka ho ne asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ye wi herbal treatment ye de awo no ama sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wo to ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho
wo oboase wo be ho 21st clinic wo oboase council quarters wo oboase court junction hwa
ena kuma senso ahia wudru session so wo mo na nie dwabo so wo mo ho so nyane ne wenchi ne ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Down the street, he says, why am I soft in the middle now? Why am I soft in the middle? The rest of my life is so hard. I need a photo opportunity. I want a shot at redemption. Don't want to end up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard. Bone digger, dogs in the moonlight. Far away, my well-lit door. Mr. Beer Melly, get these mutts away from me, you know. I don't find this stuff amusing anymore. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can be your long-lost pal. I can call you Betty, and Betty, when you call me, you can call me out. A man walks down the street, he says, why am I short of attention? Got a short little span of attention, and oh, my nights are so long. Where's my wife and family? What if I die here? Who'll be my role model? Now that my role model is gone. He ducked back down the alley with some roly-poly little bat-faced girl. All along, there were incidents and accidents. There were hints and allegations. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can be your long-lost pal. I can call you Daddy, and Daddy, when you call me, you can call me out. Call me out.
Oh yeah, pam pam pam. Hey, gone are the days, that those times, but just say now Willie Team will not just say Skyhawks. I want top train on the other, and they pass on nightclub. Now I'm for each them out of that. But hey,
doesn't speak language.
that time now, oh, call me. Dancing a yin and the now. Who go beyond one and to say, oh, which means be a smoke now on food, Johnny. Yeah, because I penny your ass up to I can't you the power. I'm flashing one.
Hallelujah, if you be my bodyguard,
I can be a long lost pal. Yeah, I can call you Daddy. Baby, call me. Call me now, na 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 na. It's another brand new day here. Good morning, Kumasi Asante, my Ghana. Yadi Chavia Jumadi, and as a Sasso Free Samria. So for Mammy Premania Trasi, Quabra Casa Swat Trasi, and Sam de Guaproso. I also remember the song, pal. And I'll pass it, rock your heart. Oh, landing beat, what? They did rock the landing beat in the morning, eh? Oh, I see. Landing beat is there. Oh, my God. on your way. I'm gonna give you that song, baby. Taking you back memory lane. When we were I've been thinking about you. You know, I've been thinking about Kumasi Asantuma in Ghana. We give you nothing but the best. Oh yes. We're rocking in the studios, you know.
We were just friends. 'Cause I miss you, baby. And I've got those feelings again. I guess I'm all confused about you.
Oh yeah.
I feel so in love, oh baby.
What can I do? I've been thinking about you. Hey, yeah. I know you love it. Look at you say.
I've been thinking about you.
Oh, we are babies. That's around the summer. Okay.
Hey, suddenly we're strangers.
Chubby. Everybody, you gotta shake some things up in the morning. You know what I mean, man? Let me say very good morning to my brother, Abine Exclusives. He loves this music.
I'm still confused about you.
Oh, yes, I am, baby.
I feel so in love.
Oh, baby. What can I do?
I've been thinking about you.
Oh,
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. I've been thinking about you. Get you on my mind. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
yay! There we go.
About you.
All right. I don't pay Sadia Kaya and Mobekaya and Ra. And Commodia Bebrain a course so now a home here say Yaba Bapini, yeah, buffer stock company for na more than 1 MP in a 2 year name say Sika Assembly Ade. And Tiano Pemi Kwa Homano so. Namine Mr. Emmanuel Atta, Corporate Affairs Manager, National Food and Buffer Stock Company. Is that time watching?
Yeah, Minia.
Now, bomb to say.
Yamiadum.
Yes. Now, Buffer Stock for some more to say.
Your curriculum.
You great Muko. But Aroma, you did you maybe ever your video so Ukwada Bia. Ya tu din kawasem na enra ade ba ko be pie mu se mo suppliers bebre kasa ne se bu a mo se 8 months 7 months o ma supply niema o mo titifie bi mu kura adwane yentua o mo ka e wo se nkama tua o mo ka na contract amo ne o mo ye no so mo se every 2 months mo betua o mo ka adenti na aba ne sa wadaroma
With your master, you will repeat the question if you not.
Okay, so see how the ultimate can ye. Yo, Mamma Tiawa, one way no would in come over for days so chese, or mere suppliers. ABC 8 months, ABC 6 months. Muntia Moka. Prices are more than my almost so a form ena, and near Maso Boane Cosro. A Jama Sika mo, Bossium Koji and Yadin, came many womo. Am I a tata or be mukra so you do mujina court? Then tina buffer stock munti or moka.
Medasi. The Dihono. The Pastor Madame Masi, self modding money, and some way because your school. Uncle no again, my submarine here. The name so ya said, the nothing so no, but the chop packets your father, any unknown kitwana, schools, and the headmasters and teachers. Binti ama koma ahoche kakra akoba homoson benefose katenten antoponko me mama kasanwa enchetin ba ko mienu bitana near the honor. And it's Yagusu. Program 3.1 na Yahweh pa a ye di mu juma ti na o try to be friend na one time come no ye bibia e say ye se ne da ya won sa be kan on sika no mo so etime to one na mo etima ye supply no ama ta na ye nkwala no so tenya organic in school nti when pese ka ye be kuma ka na ye way forth na ye way forth.
But Roma, I'm not faulting you, but you tell me. Mr. Manuate, your man who adjumani or man who brand in Yabo. Ghana for bebre, who are na ya 12 guabontene, and I'm collecting Diani and a buffer stock for Diani Honiade. Eti okwanya we no mesra chiraniama mu ye na obi betena simpie so afidikase so na oka niama bi a wo ho no de wo na wonim de opote se o how bi ho a wo ka ne nyina so se finance ministry ne o se de anu gu no so no release funds a yakoho eti yakoba se me pesa me kasa ne bebre ne ade a asemu ne mu na ho o mo so de o masem be giant suppliers no and they so far me no din komoi. Forgive me, but unkashi.
As a carry, my baby. Men have a crown for no, but just problem cacao and ask them from Zodi. My dear, no, not to, and a massage too, sir. And yes, sir, you will need a bushel. You 2-1 a month because and only person way for
it's been 8 months.
You hear me say the Sabakanisika.
So
baby or fire no or the aquato. Na inti and no so when Juma you super
I said Juma no my for 8 months. Oh Imanata 8 months obi as supply near ma bosome ngotwe. Na still ana ye gusua o say aban ye gusua no eya doso nti ama nipa bebre no and then ni gi omo de be supply no because as long as it keeps on no next time no man hwe ya you not even get suppliers so no me ya adwene sa
Sumpana 3.1 me no ya adwene pa na say omo a from players in this you know so yenina yebedi en hono kra onina be catch us na nyesi na na eniamate e na nyesi so na na obi apese ekoba no and not my kase there's a problem and we are working on it and me sure say enchekra omo beti enka enchekra
okay but so far se sia aduane ne ko school ne de so far se see aduane no eko school no mu kama there
o se school no wo
be se aduane na wo se ko school mu no se see eko kama
okay inti the akoba no se o ka se yen ya wa han yen yehu the bigger picture no and say me there are few issues over some of the schools and yet Ashanti region but across the country and it's not schools no airports and me we as but within the media circles no back as any journey in the school and tisa ediane a supply back 18 and yet possible say 18 different commodities meaning na be one school nemo the woman say mu a ebiana owamo enso ne gari asa owo gari nanso ne millet asa owo sardine nanso ne milk asa you know inti sana but ye 200 among say just before you call holidays thinking we check schools they received some food commodities. I think